Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to redeem coupon codes in Limbus Company to get free rewards, gifts, and in-game goodies. Let's get started. First, open Limbus Company on your device. Once the game launches, you'll need to either complete or skip the tutorial. You can't redeem codes until you're past that part, so make sure it's done first. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a cogwheel icon. That's your settings button. Tap it to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the Input Coupon Code button and press it. A small text box will appear. Type or paste your coupon code into the text field carefully. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, with no spaces or typos. Once you've entered the code, tap Confirm, and that's it. Your rewards will automatically be added to your in-game mailbox or inventory. So to recap, open the game, finish the tutorial, tap the cogwheel, select Input Coupon Code, enter your code, and hit Confirm to claim your freebies. And that's how you redeem codes in Limbus Company in just a few seconds. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest game codes and tips. Happy gaming and enjoy your rewards!